Welcome to our channel and welcome to another charting video. And quick recap muna tayo for the PSEI weekly chart and nag-close ang weekly candle ng index natin sa green candle. And makikita natin dito sa naka-block sa box natin na nagsusupport yung index dito sa support level natin. Ayan, strong support dito sa 6,000 level. And somehow a sign of hope to recover. Pero medyo marami pang kailangan basagin yung index para totally mag-shift sa bullish side. Dito yung 20-day moving average. Yan, kailangan niya pang basagin. 50-day moving average. Saka to top ng box or at least this resistance level. And we'll see how the coming weeks will react sa direction ng market. If kaya ba niyang i-hold itong strong support level natin, then magkaroon ng upward movement sa price chart candles niya or mabasag to support. And titingnan natin for next week. So, yan, for this video, I'll be sharing with you my simple trade idea with East West Banking Corporation. So, ito yung isa sa mga pinakasimpleng trade idea na ginagamit ko sa mga trades ko. And I find this effective. Pero you need to set some conditions kung paano mo siya ma-execute. And this idea is effective sa mga trending stocks kagaya nito. And ito yung tinatawag na breakout sa moving average. And pag nag-breakout siya sa moving average, mag-entry ka and mag-exit ka dun sa breakdown ng moving average niya. So, for this trade, I'm using this 20-day moving average, itong green line na to, as my trigger. And yung entry ko naman is yung confirmation niya. So, here, makita natin nag-breakout sa 20-day moving average. Pero syempre, di pa ako nag-enter. Naghintay muna ako ng confirmation niya, which is this candle. Dito ako nag-entry sa confirmation candle niya. Then, yung exit naman niya is yung pag nag-breakdown lang nung 20-day moving average niya and dun sa confirmation. So, dito, yun, nag-confirm na nasa baba siya ng 20-day moving average. So, nag-exit ako. Though, yun, natin na using this strategy, you will be able to gain 3.91% somehow. Pero yun nga, hindi natin siya na-maximize dun sa pinakataas niya. Kung titingnan natin kasi halos yan 17% na if nakabenta ka sa taas. Pero syempre, di naman natin yun pwede talagang magawa. Unless yun, meron kang other conditions na pwede mong gamitin. Pwedeng trail stops. Yeah. Pero for this one, we just simply use the simple 20-day moving average as our exit trigger then. So, yung pros ng ganitong trade idea or condition, yun, madali lang siyang kabisaduhin. Hindi siya complicated. Break out ng 20-day moving average, enter, breakdown, exit. Ganun lang siya kadali. And yun, if yung stock is trending siya, this may actually works in your favor. So, you will be able to maximize yung gain potential ng stock if nagtuloy-tuloy yung trend niya. Once naman neto, dahil moving average yung ginagamit nating indicator, medyo laggard yung indicator na to. If may sudden breakdown kagaya nung nangyari dito kay East West, may possibility na yun mapaaga yung exit mo or mas mababa pa yung makuha mo na gain. Na ayun, mauubos yung gains aside na instead of mabenta mo siya sa highest niya, pwedeng malusaw to and mas mababa yung makuha mo na gain. And yun, siguro ito tip ko as you mature sa trading and mas magiging selective ka sa mga stocks na trade mo. So, you don't just simply trade 'pag nakita mo yung isang pattern. Rather, meron kang other conditions na you will use before you select or go into this trade or to trade yung isang company or stocks. And may mga other conditions ka na susundan before ka mag-entry. And you may just not simply use one indicator. So I suggest you learn to use at least 2 to 3 indicators with your trade idea or trade setup or pattern that you will be using. So wag naman masyadong madami kasi baka wala ka namang ma-trade and ma-overwhelm ka kasi marami yung mga indicators na pwede mong gamitin or makabisado. At least learn 2 or 3 indicators that you can use to join together when selecting an entry. And yun, kasi 'pag marami masyado, yun baka wala ka naman ma-trade, ma-overwhelm ka sa mga indicators and at the end burnt out ka. Also, keep in mind na walang 100% win rate na setup. Yung success ng trading depends din sa mga iba't ibang factors. Meron diyan yung risk management, discipline, and patience. Oo, so yun muna yung for this video and thank you for watching and see you sa susunod na video.